Welcome, children, to this session of our English class. Today, we are going to study the story in a class of their own, part 1, page number 27. Today's topic is very much interesting. It is a motivating story of a class who change itself for better future. It happens only because of their wonderful class teacher. The positive attitude of their class teacher, that is Mrs. Desai ma'am, helps them to change from worst class to a good class. This is a story of a students like you, that is standard 7th. Let's start part 1 of the story. So all of you listen carefully and concentrate in the books and listen the pronunciation of each and every word and observe the reading and pronunciation of difficult words. Now I am going to read the story. You also concentrate in the book, page number 27. Part 1. We are a class of 60 girls and boys. We are all friends. Of course, it's true that there are camps amongst us, and sometimes we do have quarrels, arguments, fights, everything. But when it comes to facing others, even the teachers, we are all one. We face them together. From this, we know that the class has an important quality, that is unity. Now, third paragraph. If you see a whole class being made to make 3 rounds of the school ground or copy 100 lines from the book as a punishment, it is most probably us. But we do not tell tales about any one girl or boy. We take the punishment as a class. And guess what happened this year? We are used to teachers shouting at us for poor marks, shabby work, incomplete homework, not attending school regularly, and all other things that teachers worry about. But we didn't mind it. It made no difference to us. We all liked our class the way it was. We were, in fact, quite proud of our class. And so was our new class teacher, Mrs. Desai. She said so in the very first period. She said, I have heard about you people from your last year's teachers, and I am proud of you. Unity is very important quality and you must always maintain it. I'm very happy to be your class teacher. Did you notice what she called us? It is very interesting. It's never children, it's always girls, boys, you young people, or my dear, or young man, or young lady. You feel so nice when she says, now this young lady will show us how to do it. We all liked her very much. Now, in this story, part 1, we see that the class is very naughty. All the teachers shout at this class for poor marks, for their shabby work, incomplete homeworks, incomplete attendance, that is not attending school regularly, and all the other things that the teachers worry about in the school for the students. So, but the best quality of the class was the unity. The new class teacher, that is Mrs. Desai, she was very proud of the class. She liked the quality of unity and she always uh, start her talking using the words like young people, my dear young lady, etc. And all the children liked her very much. So today we will do only this much in today's period. Now all of you read this once again the story and write and take down the question. Why did the teachers punish the students? And try to find out the answer after reading this page. Thank you.